Hey guys, Miss C here. I miss you guys so much. I just had to pop on here and help you do a lesson real quick. Today, I want to concentrate on some math. I know that we push really hard in our math group to use the bus strategy. So I want to make a quick video to make sure that you remember this strategy because it's so important for those word problems. All right, are you ready? Let's do this. So just like class, let's go ahead and champ it out and give you the we are learning statement so we know what we need to do during this whole video. All right, so go ahead and slam. Voice level 0. Waterfall. Psh. All right, here we go. So we are learning. We are learning. Oh, yeah, that's right. I still want you to get down. We are learning to solve word problems. Word problems. So what are we doing? Oh, yeah, we're learning how to solve word problems. So we can. 3 things. Ready? Use the bus strategy, choose the correct operation, and set up a sentence. But whoa, time. Bus strategy. Box important words, underline the numbers, and set up a sentence, but really a number sentence. Now let's champ it out. Just because we're not in class doesn't mean I don't want you to follow champs at home. So I'm watching you. Here we go. RC is a conversation level 0. I want you focused and on task while you're watching this video. If you need help, yeah, you can still raise your hand for a parent or a guardian. Or better yet, email me or comment to me on our Google Classroom so I know how to help you. It's what I'm here for. Our activity is we're using the bus strategy for some word problems. Our movement is a focused body, quiet hands and feet while you're watching this video. Our participation. I know you participated when you answered the question below this video because I'm going to add it in there and I'm making sure that you answer it. And that's how we're going to be successful. So let's review one more time. We are doing the bus. We're taking the bus for our word problems. That means we are boxing important words, underlining numbers, and setting up a sentence. So let's check out our word problem. You're going to like it. It's about my favorite animal. Missy has 349 steers on her family farm. Her grandpa has 582 steers. How many more does her grandpa have? So let's read it one more time and let's get those markers out or a piece of paper, pencil, however you want to annotate. Here we go. Miss C has 349 steers on her family farm. If I'm using bus, what do I do first? That's right. I underline my first number, which is 349. And I'm going to underline it and I'm going to go ahead and put it down on the bottom. Okay, next sentence. Her grandpa has 582 steers. What should I do here? That's right. I underline again. And now I have another number that I'm going to write down. 582. All right, last sentence. How many more does her grandpa have? I don't see numbers, so I know I've got to do the other step in bus. So help me out. What do I do, guys? Jatera, was that you? I heard it, though. I'm going to put a box around the word more and a box around the word grandpa because these two are important words to help me make my number sentence. I need to know how many more my grandpa has. Now, I have both of my numbers right here, my number sentence, but I know I'm missing my total or my sum or my difference, whatever operation that I choose. Speaking of operations, let's write them down. Now, normally I have these in the back of my room for you guys to look at, so let's just draw them on here. I know I can use addition, multiplication, subtraction, or division. Now, it says how many more does her grandpa have? That means that we're looking at how many more my grandpa has than me. So I am comparing. If I'm comparing, do you think I'm going to get bigger or do you think I'm going to get smaller? Let me let you think on that for a second. How many more? That's like saying if Honor has 12 cookies and I have 5, how many more does he have? That means we're looking to find the difference. That's right. We need to find the difference. And I know the word difference means I need to get smaller. So let's look at our operations. If I'm getting smaller, there are two options I can look at. Yes, good. I heard this one, so I'm going to look at division, but there's one more I can look at to make a number smaller. That's right, subtraction. So I'm going to go ahead and X out addition and multiplication. Let's X and check those bad boys because I know those make my number bigger. And I don't want a bigger number because my grandpa's number, 582, is the biggest. And I know my total cannot get bigger than that. Okay, so now I'm deciding, am I subtracting or am I dividing? I'm going to let you have some think time for a second. Talk to a shoulder partner if you have one at home. Talk to your brother or sister or a parent. Let me give you a second. So what's going to go there? And I know my number sentence is set up correctly because I have to get smaller. So that means my big number is here, my small number, and just like in class, every number sentence has two small numbers and one big number. So that means my total has to be small. So what operation goes here? That's right, subtraction. Let's minus this. So I have my problem written in a number sentence, but you can also write it this way. We practice this way in my classroom too. This way helps us use other strategies to tackle because I can make my columns, and then what goes on the top, guys? Place value, that's right. So I have my ones, my tens, and my hundreds. Now I can go through and stay nice and straight when I'm doing my subtraction because I know I've got to get smaller, so let's start working. Oh no, Miss C's trying to be mean. I already have 2 minus 9. Can I do 2 minus 9, guys? No, that's right. But what is that called if I have to go next door and grab some? Regrouping. So we have to regroup from the ones to the tens. So if I take 1 away from 8, what does that give me? 7. Good job. And I stole that 1 from 8, so I put it here. So now I have 12 minus 9. What's 12 minus 9? I could count up 9, 10, 11, 12, and that would give me my number right. So that is 3. Then I move on to my tens place. I have 7 minus 4. Okay, so I could count up 4, or could I count down? Either way, right, guys? Let's do down. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Good job. And then I have 5 minus 3. What's that one, guys? 5, 4, 2. Good job. So here is my difference. I use the word difference because that's the total in subtraction. The difference is 233. So to answer my word problem that we just took the bus on is my grandpa has 233 more steers than me. That makes me kind of jealous. I wish I had more. Guys, I miss you so much, but stay tuned because I'm going to add some more videos here shortly. Love you, miss you.